Task Factory is a suite of SSIS components available from Pragmatic Works. In this video, we're going to take a look at the delete batch transform. When I'm working with SSIS, I occasionally have need to delete a batch of rows from a table. However, I only want to delete rows where the key value is equal to a key coming in from my source. In this particular example, I'm going to reuse two tables that I used earlier. I previously had done a video on how to use the Task Factory upsert. If you haven't seen that video yet, you missed a good one. Follow the link on the screen to go view it, after you get done with this video, of course. Now, in my upsert source and upsert destination, you can see I have 10,000 rows that are all identical. Okay? So let's jump over here to our package. And here's our source, and we're just, like I said, we're going to use the upsert source. And there's our two columns. So let's drag on the delete batch transform. And we'll wire it up. And we'll open it up. There we go. And now we're going to wire it up to a connection manager. And we'll just reuse this one. And the table we're going to delete the rows from is our upsert destination. And we're going to match what rows to delete through this key. In this case, they both happen to have the same name, big number and big number. But that's not necessary. We can pick a different column name if we need it. Then we're going to come down here and simply click OK. And we'll just take a second to make this look nice. There we go. And now we can run it. And there we go, 10,000 rows, which is what we expected. And let's come back over here to our SQL query, and we're going to rerun this, and if everything went well, these rows should now be gone. And there's our rows from the top. And if I scroll down, sure enough, my bottom table is empty. The delete batch transform has all sorts of nifty uses. For example, maybe you want to delete all the rows from a table when you're importing a new set of data from an external source. Or maybe you're working with a bridge table that bridges two dimensions together, and you want to reset the rows in the bridge table to get rid of the former rows for a particular business key and insert a new group. To learn more about the delete batch transform or any of the other components included with Task Factory, please visit us at pragmaticworks.com.